Have you ever seen a number like this? It almost looks like 4 is sitting on the shoulder of the 9. Weird, right? What's this type of number called? If you said an exponent, you're right. 4 is the exponent and 9 is the base. And the way we say this is 9 to the 4th power. What that means is 9 multiplied by itself 4 times. So 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. What about this one? If you said 3 to the 5th power, you're right. 3 to the 5th power means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Whew, that's a lot of multiplying. How about this one? If you said 10 to the 3rd power, good job. 10 to the 3rd power is 10 times 10 times 10. 10 multiplied by itself 3 times. Because today's lesson focuses on multiplying and dividing by powers of 10, the base will always be 10. The exponent tells us how many times the base is used as a factor. So 10 to the 3rd power is 10 times 10 times 10, which is the same as 1,000. Remember, doing things with multiples of 10 makes it really easy for mental math. But if you're still having trouble, a place value chart taped to your desk can be a very handy tool to use for this lesson. Let's get started. Suppose we want to multiply 16 times 10 to the 2nd power. We know that 10 to the 2nd power is 10 times 10, which is the same as 100. Notice how 2nd power gave me 2 zeros. That's a pattern that's going to continue. If I multiply 16 times 100, my number is going to shift 2 places greater or to the left on the place value chart. So 16 times 100 becomes 1,600. Let's keep going. Next, we're going to multiply 2,700 divided by 10 to the 3rd power. Now let's break up 10 to the 3rd power. 10 to the 3rd power is the same as 10 times 10 times 10, which means 1 with 3 zeros, or you guessed it, 1,000. So we are going to be dividing this number by 1,000. 2,700 divided by 1,000. I think I might need my place value chart for this one. So let's check. 2,700 has a 2 in the thousands place and a 7 in the hundreds place. Dividing by 1,000 means I'm going to shift 3 places smaller, or 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. So this number shifted all the way to the ones and the tenths place. 2,700 divided by 1,000 is 2 and 7 tenths. Let's keep going. 7 tenths times 10 to the 3rd power. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is rewrite this. Instead of 10 to the 3rd power, we know this is 1,000. 7 tenths times 1 with 3 zeros. Let's look at our place value chart. When 7 tenths gets 3 places bigger, let's see what happens. 7 in the tenths place, 3 places bigger, 1, 2, 3. It becomes 700. 7 tenths times 1,000 is 700. All right, we're going to do one more with the place value chart, and for the last two, we're going to try them mentally. Okay, we have 14 and 5 tenths divided by 10 to the 2nd power. Let's rewrite this. 14 and 5 tenths divided by 10 to the 2nd power is 1 with 2 zeros, or 100. 14 and 5 tenths divided by 100. Now this one has 3 digits, and they're going to shift 2 places to the right. 14 and 5 tenths is a tens, a ones, and a tenths. Ready? 2 places to the right. 1, 2. All right, we've got tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So 14 and 5 tenths divided by 100 is 0 and 145 thousandths. All right, are we ready to try these mentally? Whoo, this one's got 10 to the 4th power. We haven't seen that yet. I bet we can figure it out. 63 times 10 to the 4th power. I want you to picture 10, a 1 with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number is that? 10,000. 63 times 10,000 is 630,000. This number shifted 4 places to the left, or 4 places bigger. Okay, our very last problem. 5,192 divided by 10 to the third power. Let's rewrite our problem. Divided by 10 to the third power, we know 10 to the third power is the same as 1,000, or 1 with 3 zeros. Okay, let's picture this 5 in the thousands place. And then I want you to imagine it shifting 3 places to the right, or 3 places smaller. It goes hundreds, tens, ones. So my 5 ends up in the ones place, and all my other numbers shift to decimal numbers. 5,192 divided by 1,000 is 5 and 192 thousandths. It shifted 3 places to the right, or 3 places smaller. Want the worksheet I'm using in this video? Click on the link below and get the full packet, including partner practice, 3 pages of independent practice, a challenge page for your early finishers, and an exit quiz. Thank you for watching and happy teaching!